Hey, it's ClayTrader. I'm going to try to get a live trade here on PLUG. If you follow my video blog, you know I've traded this one quite a bit recently. Looking down here, you can see that I'm up, 475 on the day, and it's just been a bad day. Not necessarily profit-wise, but I've just been struggling to find trade ideas, and it's just, I don't know, one of those days where it just seems like, making 50 bucks is a slow grind, where other days, it's just much better. So anyways, I want to just try to get up to my $500 profit for the day. I do go by the motto, $500 a day keeps the day job away. So I'd like to get up to there, but at the same time, I'm not going to throw myself into something stupid and then lose money. So, if I get filled on this trade, fantastic. And I should probably get to what that trade is, but I'm looking to buy at 593, just 2,500 shares. Like I said, I don't need that much more to get up to my $500. So I'm just trying to kind of chip away at it a little bit here, but at the same time, I need to be very particular in my entry point so I don't end up, getting myself into trouble. So just because I'm very familiar with plug, I'm sticking with this one. I feel very confident with how it trades. So I'm, obviously it's not a guarantee that this trade will work out, but I'll just say that I like the risk versus reward in it. I'll put it like that. So we'll see if anything happens. You can see here, pretty boring, not much volume. It is, let's see, 2:27 p.m. Eastern time. So still in the afternoon. But if we do get a break below this level here at $6, which you can see is the key level of support right now, good chance I think that it'll come down here and at least bounce off this for a couple pennies. I'm not looking for much at all. And it's one of those things, maybe you're thinking, why would you waste your time with something like this? Well, no sweat off my back. I'm already up on the day. I'm doing other stuff. I'm working on some blog stuff, as this goes. So, I'm just glancing at it. So if it gets filled, great. Should be a easy, 50, 75 bucks. If it doesn't, oh well, I'm still being productive and getting other stuff done. So it's really no sweat off my back either way. It's not like I'm sitting here watching tick by tick and wasting time waiting for a $25, $50 profit or whatever. It's one of those things where, on my other monitors, I have other stuff going on. So, and maybe you would still think, well, that still sounds like a waste of time. Well, that's the great thing about the stock market. We all have our different opinions and strategies for things. So if you think that, more power to you. But for me, I like the risk versus reward. If it gets down there, if it doesn't, then I'll just have to settle for, 475 on the day. So that's where things currently stand. I will keep you posted if anything changes. It's looking like sixes are going to fall. You can see the sellers have really stacked up now, and sixes are getting hit. So sixes have now fallen, 599's printing. So let's see if it can pull back here to my 993 or 593, excuse me, level. And let's see if I can get filled. I don't want this video to drag out, so I did want to at least catch the show. $6 has been broken. Now it's a matter of seeing if we can get down here to this entry point, which is the white line here. That's the 593 level. I will keep you posted. All right, getting some more downwards action here. 596 is printing. So we will see if it can get down there and give me a fill. Not gigantic volume or anything, which is good. If that volume really picks up or anything like that, I'll probably cancel my order and move it down some, just because increasing volume on this sort of downwards move isn't what I'm looking for. I'd like to see this be as low volume of a move as possible. And now you can see it's already kind of starting to bounce back up. So I'll keep an eye on it, and I'll try my best to get it. Like I said, I am doing other stuff, so I'll try my best to keep or to get any sort of live action. But for now, you can see just still hovering around here. Finally broke below 6. Now it's just a matter of seeing if it can drift down here a little bit more to my 593 area. All right, you can see 593s now, and I am filled. So I went ahead and just put in a sell order right there at 595. We'll see if this can bounce up any here. Looks like it's going to pull back a little bit more, which is fine. Only 2,500 shares, so if I do need to bring down my average cost, I can do that. But I do like this area as support. Hopefully this is just a little temporary spike below it, and then it'll start to bounce back up from there. So we shall see. Volume remains, low, so it's not like it was on any sort of huge volume move or anything like that. And actually, I just need another 25 bucks, and I'm happy for the day at my 500. So I just moved the sell order down to 594. Let's see, we're at 5 minutes on the video. Well, with the way it's been trading, I'm not going to let this keep going. I'll keep you posted if it looks like I'm going to get it filled, or if I buy some more shares to lower my average cost. But I don't want. Well, there we've got some 593s going. So let's watch this, see if I can get filled here. There's my order right there waiting to get filled. Need some people to hit 594s. There's 501 shares, 1,001 shares. You know, and that is kind of one risky and probably stupid thing that I'm doing. With going with this sort of share size at this time of the day when it's not hugely liquid out there, you know, it can make, as you can see, I'm getting myself into a situation where I may only get a partial fill here. Hopefully some more people hit 594. So let's see. There we go. 1760 now, but still, you see how slow and kind of arduous it is here. 29. There we go. So finally out. So as you saw, you know, just slow treading, and that's why I'm doing small share size. That's why I wanted to be very particular with that entry point. Just, you know, and I'm sure people could argue that this was stupid that I was doing, and I wouldn't disagree. But you can see now, peace of mind, $500 on the day because I was adding liquidity. I'm actually probably at about $515 because I've been getting rebates on a lot of my trades. So if you don't know what I mean by that, I actually wrote an article about it. Maybe I'll link that in this blog post. But so there was a trade. Like I said, I love the risk versus reward there, and it worked out just how I thought it was going to work out. Slow going, and given the time of day, just got to be careful. So nice quick little trade. Goes to show that, you know, using charts you can really get some good little spots and figure out some nice areas. So you know, this may bounce, but you can see a lot of sellers up there at 594. Regardless though, hopefully you found the video helpful, and like I said, I totally understand if you think, you know, that didn't make much sense. Why are you trading for $25? Well, just more of a psychological thing. I like to get up to that $500 a day. Because like I said, $500 a day keeps the day job away. So now I'm happy for the day. Up over a little, probably about 515 profit on the day. So I'll take that. But overall, just kind of a lackluster, boring day for me. Not many, you know, highly volatile stocks out there. Anyways, though, if you found the video helpful and want to learn how to do this sort of things, you know, the first step would be to learn technical analysis. I do offer some courses, so I'd encourage you, obviously I'm biased, for you to check those out at ClayTrader.com. Just go to the store. Robotic trading would be the one you'd be interested in, as that's the one for beginners. And if you want to hang out with me and other traders during the trading day, I do offer a live chat room. You just have to subscribe to my private trading group, which is the Inner Circle. Again, you can find more information on that on ClayTrader.com. So again, quick little trade here on plug. I'm up to my $500 profit for the day, so I am happy and I am done for the day. Thanks, and hopefully you learned something.